Why do giraffes have such long necks? Before you watch today's video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We'll respond to you all as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Now, let's get back to giraffes. Giraffes, the towering giants of the African savanna, are famous for their exceptionally long necks. Standing at an average height of 5 meters, these majestic creatures have necks that can stretch up to almost 2 meters in length. The fact that giraffes have such elongated necks has intrigued scientists and observers alike for centuries. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating evolutionary factors and theories that shed light on why giraffes have evolved to have such long necks. Feeding adaptations. One of the most accepted explanations for the extraordinary neck length of giraffes is their feeding adaptations. Giraffes primarily consume leaves from tall trees, and their long necks provide them with a distinct advantage. By reaching the foliage at greater heights, they can access a larger variety of nutrient-rich food sources that are unavailable to other herbivores, thus minimizing the competition for resources. This allows them to exploit a niche in the ecosystem that would otherwise remain unutilized. Additionally, the evolution of long necks has enhanced the giraffes' foraging efficiency and facilitated their survival. Sexual selection and mating behavior. Another contributing factor to the evolution of long necks can be attributed to sexual selection and mating behavior. Male giraffes engage in combat by swinging their necks and striking opponents with powerful blows, a behavior known as necking. The elongated necks serve as formidable weapons during these battles, allowing males to establish dominance and secure mating opportunities. Giraffes with longer and stronger necks are more likely to succeed in these contests and gain access to receptive females. Predator avoidance. One theory suggests that the long necks have evolved as a defense mechanism against predators. By having an elevated vantage point due to their long necks, giraffes are able to detect predators from a greater distance, allowing them to assess potential threats and initiate escape strategies in advance. This increased field of vision provides them with a crucial advantage in evading predators such as lions and hyenas, as they can detect them earlier and take appropriate action. In this context, the long necks serve as an evolutionary adaptation that enhances the survival chances of giraffes in the African savanna. Thermoregulation. Another theory proposes that the long necks play a role in thermoregulation, helping them cope with the challenges of their habitat. The African savanna is known for its extreme temperatures, ranging from scorching heat during the day to cooler temperatures at night. The elongated necks of giraffes, which have a large surface area, allow for efficient heat dissipation. By extending their necks upward, giraffes can expose a greater proportion of their bodies to cooling breezes and dissipate heat through their exposed skin. This thermoregulatory advantage may provide giraffes with an adaptive mechanism to thrive in their hot and arid environment. Evolutionary trade-offs. While the long necks of giraffes offer numerous advantages, their evolution also comes with a certain price. For instance, the cardiovascular system of giraffes must cope with the challenge of pumping blood upwards from the heart to the brain. To overcome this, giraffes have developed several adaptations, such as a powerful heart and a high blood pressure, to ensure sufficient oxygen supply to the brain. Additionally, the vertebrae in their necks have become elongated and interconnected with ligaments and tendons, enabling them to support the weight and movement of the extended neck. These adaptations demonstrate the remarkable evolutionary changes that have occurred to accommodate the unique anatomy of giraffes. The incredibly long necks have evolved as a result of a combination of feeding adaptations, sexual selection, predator avoidance, and thermoregulation. Their long necks provide a selective advantage in reaching inaccessible food sources, while also serving as powerful weapons during combat for mating rights. However, the development of such huge necks has necessitated various physiological adaptations to overcome challenges related to blood circulation and skeletal support. The study of giraffes and their long necks not only explains the wonders of evolution, but also emphasizes the complex interplay between ecological niches, sexual selection, and physiological adaptations in shaping the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. It's important to note that these theories are not mutually exclusive and could potentially complement one another in explaining the evolution of giraffes' long necks. Giraffes' unique anatomy and behavior present a complex puzzle for researchers, and further scientific investigations are required to unravel the complete story behind their adaptations. Understanding the underlying evolutionary forces behind the long necks of giraffes not only enhances our knowledge of their remarkable adaptation, but also deepens our understanding of the intricate web of interactions in the natural world. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please leave a like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post next.